Have you ever wished for a life-changing secret that doesn't break the bank? In a world where wellness trends cost a fortune, it's easy to believe that only the most exotic, expensive ingredients hold the power to transform our health. But what if the real game changer is hiding in plain sight, sitting on the shelf at your local grocery store? Let me introduce you to vinegar. Yes, you heard that right, simple, unassuming vinegar. It's the ingredient that has quietly shaped cuisines, preserved foods, and healed bodies for centuries. And it's sitting right there, waiting for you to unlock its potential. Vinegar isn't just for salads. This humble liquid has been celebrated across cultures for its versatility and powerful health benefits. From ancient Egypt to modern Japan, vinegar has been prized as a natural preservative, a tonic, and a remedy. Today, research reveals what people have intuitively known for centuries: vinegar can do wonders for your health, from balancing blood sugar levels to aiding digestion, to even supporting heart health. And it's all available for just a few cents per serving. Imagine an ingredient that helps stabilize your energy, keeps hunger in check, and might even help you shed a few pounds. That's vinegar's secret. Acetic acid, the primary component in vinegar, has been shown to support metabolism and regulate insulin sensitivity, which means your body can process sugars more effectively. For anyone seeking a natural way to boost energy and support their health, this cheap ingredient is a powerhouse. But that's just the beginning. Vinegar has been a go-to for detoxification and even immune support, thanks to its antibacterial properties. Need a natural way to keep your home free from harmful bacteria? Vinegar's got you covered. Want to improve your digestion and get more out of your meals? Just a spoonful before eating can do the trick. And it doesn't stop there. This one ingredient isn't only good for your health, it's a game changer for your wallet. With so many overpriced wellness products out there, vinegar reminds us that sometimes the simplest, most affordable options can be the most effective. Why spend a fortune on detox drinks when you have the real deal at your fingertips? So, maybe it's time to look past the price tags, the fads, and the latest health crazes. Maybe, just maybe, the true key to a healthier, more balanced life lies in rediscovering the power of the simple, the ancient, the cheap. Would you try adding a little vinegar to your daily routine?